Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So for some time now, we haven't really talked about bundles, and today we're going to talk about a couple of nice Blender bundles and good stuff that you can find. Most of these are currently running out, so it's best that you go ahead and grab them. At the same time, we're also going to talk about some nice cool add-ons that you potentially would love. Links to most of this will be in the description. So starting off, Cassie has now put together an amazing bundle alongside the folks at Flipbox, and this is the Blender add-on, which is going to be more like a limited time offer. Now the cool thing with this is all of these that you'll be getting these for $30 as against $237. This comes with 11 beautiful add-ons that you can work with. Now if you're wondering what add-ons you're getting, these add-ons include the Real Water, which is a water shader. Then you've got the Real Cloud Generator. This is a pretty cool VDB cloud library, amazing stuff. Then we've got the Lazy Forest, which is also a very quick and easy tool that you can use to build forest. And you know, it does come with some beautiful set of parameters, assets and stuff that you can work with. Grass Paint is also another nice one for stylized animated grass. We've actually talked about some of those ones on the channel before. The Dropcast is really cool for physically based scattering. So if you like to scatter stuff by simply using physics, of course you can use this one and do all of that. Then we've got the Stylized Water. Again, this is a stylized effect version of the real one. So if you're looking for something more stylized, this is the one to go for. We've got the Stylized Forest, which is a stylized version of the real forest. Pretty cool. We've got Better Lighting version 2. Better Lighting version 2 is more like a lighting preset and a global library that comes with both animated and static images that you can use to do some nice gobbles. We've got Fluid Kit. This is a water generator alongside a set of water assets that you can work with. Then we've got the Sci-Fi Texture Generator. This simply just explains itself. And Terra Paint. Now Terra Paint is a stylized terrain and mountain library that does come with a good number of assets, and all of these you can now get for $30. This is a very limited time offer, so just in case you like to get this, you can simply come through and check it out. All the way up here you can also notice that we've got a secret tier unlocked, and this is offering 3 amazing products for $5. These are made available by Black Death Studio, and these are amazing assets and of course tools that you'll be needing. This includes the Explode FX version 1.0, which is a fire, explode, smoke VDB asset library. Comes with a ton of things. Then we've got detailed effects for those who like working with, you know, roughness, imperfections. You like to put a bit of grunge, maybe wear and tear on your model. This is also another nice one. The Node Effects is also a very beautiful one, and this comes with some effect tools that you'll be using to sort of polish your models, make them look a bit more stylized, put some effect on them, and these are mostly procedural stuff. So if you like to get these are currently available for $5. And speaking about stuff that are available, if you simply go over to Cassie Sheep's page on Superhive, you notice that I've got some beautiful tools that are currently doing 25% off. One is pretty new and the other one has been existing for a while. For example, the Cloud Paint is a stylized cloud generator. This uses your mesh to generate clouds, and it is pretty interesting how this one does it. On the other hand, we've got the Lazy Cracker. The Lazy Cracker is a tool that allows you create cracks on models or even crack models easily inside of Blender. These two tools are currently available for 25% off. At the same time, there are some tools on Cassie Sheep's page on Superhive that you would not find on that bundle from the folks at Flipbox. This includes the Ivy generator that comes with animated IVs. We've got the Scene Enricher as well, which you can use to scatter stuff across your scene. And we've got the Quad Filler, which is a pretty cool tool that you can use to automatically fill holes and mesh gaps on your model. Alongside these, there's a few things that you'll also be able to find here, and depending on what you want, these are definitely stuff that you can come through and check out. Speaking of things that you can check out, the Super Addons bundle by the folks at Superhive is here. Now we've talked about this one before. This bundle is commemorating 12 years of Superhive, and this comes with 22 interesting products that you can get, and by default the products are valued at $930.74, but the bundle is offering everything for $99. For those who are pretty skeptical, once you purchase these bundles, these comes individually, which means that you'll be getting sequential updates once there's an update to them. All of these are high quality add-ons that you can use, from Kamikaze, which is a nice shader and asset tool, which you can use to do some very nice stylized stuff. We've also got the palette grid for stylized stuff as well, pretty nice. We've got Dynamic VFX, it's an elemental asset pack, and they've recently added the muzzle flash. For those who are looking at playing with light, we've got a few light stuff, like the Light Master Pro is one of them. Then we've got the light painter. It is also another cool one, which you can use to paint lights directly in Blender. Then you've got the light wrangler, which is super amazing for wrangling lights around. For those who are looking into character, maybe you like to build stuff, we've got the robot designer. This is used for building procedural robots. It's pretty nice, comes fully rigged. Once you're done building the robots, comes with textures, and you can just simply bang on and start animating automatically. If you're looking at interior stuff, building stuff, then Procedural Interiors is a beautiful one which you can use to build your interiors and style them how you want. There's also iCity for building cities at scale. Again, these are pretty amazing add-ons. For clothing, you've got Simply Cloth version 2, the studio version, and we've also got the Smart Cloth Generator, and this is also pretty cool for those who are thinking about building clothes quickly and easily. These comes with their own assets and presets and stuff as well, so just in case you're looking for anything to build clothes with, you can get them. For animation, we've got Go Physics, which is really cool, especially for stylized animation. And if you're looking for like a much more proper animation stuff for, realistic and stylized, then the Puppet Studio is the one to go. For water, we've got Cell Fluids version 2.0, pretty cool. Then we've also got the physical open waters. And down here, you notice we've got Text Pro, which is nice for those who are into motion graphics. And if you're into texturing and stuff, maybe you like to work based off layers inside of Blender, Matte Plus is a cool one. For VFX, we've got Camera Tracker, and with version 5, there've been a couple of updates to this one, and that is right here. Faceit is a good add-on that you can use if you're thinking about facial performance with your phone in Blender. This has you covered. If you're thinking about color grading and effect, then the Raw Renderer is right here. So all of these are amazing stuff. I mean, some of these are currently even doing discounts on their own. So for example, like the Puppet Studio is currently doing, I think, a 30% discount or 40% discount. These are doing discounts right now, so you can get them. There's also some nice, cool, brand new add-ons. We're potentially going to make a video about those ones. And this includes like the multi-delta Mush. This is really cool for adding those nice wrinkles and stuff. This understands deformation and applies wrinkle where wrinkle needs to be. And it's a pretty cool one. We have a planned video for that one, just in case you like to see it. Merge Master is also another nice, cool tool for anyone that's thinking about merging multiple stuff together. These are pretty cool add-ons that are recent, so I think it's just worth mentioning them. We've got Easeam. Easeam version 2 is also here. Surface Blend is right here. Multisculpt is also another cool tool for sculpting multiple stuff at the same time. Then we've got some very cool ones like the Quick Detail 8, and this is also a very nice texturing tool for anyone who likes to get it. I think this is also doing a 40% off. So lots of things are right here. So for those who are thinking about getting any of these ones, I'm going to link them in the description, so do well to check them out. And of course, if you like to grab this bundle, or maybe you like to grab this bundle or these other ones, links to this will be in the description, so see them for yourself. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.